Bitcoin Cash is one of those cryptographic forms of money that many individuals have known about yet don't actually have the foggiest idea what it is. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin's side grade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. In any case, it has shown a ton of commitment and is at present one of the 30 greatest digital currencies on the planet. Similarly as with some other digital currency, it is difficult to say regardless of whether Bitcoin Cash will be a wise speculation. However, its high market cap and strong specialized establishment, also as extraordinary likely convenience, can assist with keeping its cost above water on the off chance that the market slumps. Bitcoin Cash is a hard fork of Bitcoin. The coin split from the first convention back in 2017 in the midst of rising worries about versatility, slow exchange speed, and high charges. Furthermore, there was a contention in the Bitcoin people group encompassing the genuine reason for the coin, which Satoshi Nakamoto framed similar to a really decentralized distributed computerized installment strategy. Numerous members felt like the first Bitcoin didn't address those values any longer. Nonetheless, the Bitcoin Cash of today isn't the very same coin it was in 2017. BCH itself likewise went through a hard fork. In 2018, it split into Bitcoin ABC, presently known as Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin SV, Satoshi's vision. The fork was made in light of the fact that the local area differ on the fate of the digital money, specifically concerning block size. At first, BCH had a block size cutoff of 8 megabytes. This permitted the coin to bring down its expenses and increment its exchange throughput. From that point forward, its block size has expanded significantly more and is equivalent to 32 megabytes right now. In spite of the advantages this coin can give, there are many things that stand among BCH in significance. First and foremost, there's the first Bitcoin. Most financial backers actually pick it over the more in fact progressed Bitcoin Cash. Besides the fact that BCH ignored just like a beneficial venture, however it is likewise not being treated remotely close as in a serious way as BTC with regards to regular use. Numerous commercial centers still just acknowledge BTC as installment, leaving out all the altcoins. We imagine that absence of use for its expected designs is the second snag that blocks BCH cost development. While, in principle, this coin has a superb block limit, which prompts high exchange throughput, as a general rule, just a little level of BCH is effectively being utilized, under 5%. Bitcoin Cash has a fairly inquisitive cost history. At the hour of composing this video, in February 2022, the coin is worth nearly as much as in 2017. As send-off, the BCH cost was around $440, while now it's floating around in the $300 to $350 territory. As a matter of fact, what separates BCH from other well-known digital currencies like the first Bitcoin or Ethereum is the means by which minimal powerful its cost had throughout the long term. In spite of the fact that there were some cost spikes, the worth of Bitcoin Cash basically consistently returned to the $300 to $400 territory. Most other digital currencies that get positioned in the main 30 by market cap normally see their typical costs ascend throughout the span of the years, yet not BCH. Bitcoin Cash Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin Cash costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitcoin Cash will be $156.11. The greatest level that the BCH cost can reach is $172.23. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $161.75. BCH price forecast for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Bitcoin Cash toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $148.04 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $135.35 and at $152.27, separately. October 2022, Bitcoin Cash Price Forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the BCH cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $146.91, while the most extreme could reach $158.19 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin Cash may be around $153.96. BCH price forecast for November 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Bitcoin Cash in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal BCH rate they foresee may be around $158.58 in November 2022. It can drop to $152.94 as a base. The greatest worth may be $165.88. December 2022, Bitcoin Cash price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the BCH cost will be exchanged at $161.75 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin Cash worth to $172.23. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $156.11 in December 2022. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin Cash in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Bitcoin Cash will be around $228.99. The most extreme expected BCH cost might be around $275.21. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $237.31 in 2023. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Bitcoin Cash, in 2024, BCH is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $350.06 and $399.35, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $361.93. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Bitcoin Cash and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base BCH cost could drop to $516.52, while its most extreme can reach $602.08. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $531. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Bitcoin Cash by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least BCH costs are normal in 2026, $882.22 and $750.24.